We just got to the beach, and the funny thing is, there is a fire. And there's a bunch of fire engines and ambulances going off, and it smells like a fire. Doesn't sound too good. We just got here. This is our first exposure to the Pensacola beach, so hopefully that'll get taken care of. Looks like the smoke is coming this way, and it looks like it's getting better, and people are running from the beach. So, yeah, everyone's running away from the beach. But I guess we'll see what we want to do. Oh, okay, so word is an RV caught on fire. Sounds like I hear the water. The hose is taking care of it. I'm going to get a closer look at what's going on. People are still saying it's an RV. But you can see the flames before the smoke a minute ago. Fire, John! I bet it's just... see what it was? It's the car. It's right in the middle. Yeah, it's in the middle of the parking lot. It's still blazing good. This is the aftermath of the RV that exploded as soon as we walked here to the beach. I heard everyone is okay, but I'm gonna get a shot of the car next to it. The car next to it got damaged too. It's from the explosion. We are stuck on a bridge. Jack is watching Elmo on the headphones. And we got the sunroof open. We got both of them open actually.